Over 28, and this is the thing that's shaking the building on this side. That's my bedroom right there. That's the driveway that I'm always filming down. And we have this thing going on. And this, of course, is shaking the building. You can feel the vibrations inside the building. I don't see how this is legal, that we're supposed to live next to this vibration, that even with a sound barrier, it has nothing to do with noise at this point. It's about vibrations, like masonry. Notice how quiet it is once it's off. That's how much of a difference it makes.